Remove any accessory from your left arm. Make sure that you are wearing loose short-sleeved clothes. Wear the arm cuff properly. Roll up your sleeve and put the cuff on your left arm. Make sure that there is 1 to 2 centimeters allowance from inside the elbow to the cuff. The hose should be on top, and the cuff is not worn too tight. A maximum of 2 fingers can fit in the cuff. Plug the arm cuff firmly into the device. Add power supply. You may use 4 AA alkaline batteries. Or use the cord and plug it into a power bank. A laptop or desktop computer, or a charger adapter. Sit properly in front of a table and rest your left arm on the table, so that the arm cuff is in the same level as your heart. Press the start/stop button. This will initiate the test and inflate the arm cuff. Sit still, avoid movement and avoid talking while measuring. After a minute or less, the results will be ready. There is an indicator on the left side of the screen. If the bars reach the green line, it means that your blood pressure is normal. Yellow means that your result is within borderline or high normal. And the red means that your blood pressure is high. It is suggested that you conduct the testing 3 times with at least 3 minutes rest in between, and taking the average of those 3 results. To do this, you can easily view the average of the latest 3 results by pressing the MEM button. This will display the average by default. Pressing again lets you browse through your previous results. You can switch users by pressing set while the device is off. Switching users enables you to store results separately for 2 users. Each user can store up to 90 results. This device is capable of detecting arrhythmia. If you encounter the IHB icon after trying 3 times, contact your physician immediately. Long press on set button while the device is off. Press MEM to adjust the year and press set once the desired year is shown. Do the same with the month, day, and time. You may choose between 12-hour or 24-hour format. While the device is off, press the MEM button, and long press on the set button until it displays CL/NO. Press set to change it to CL yes, and press the start/stop button. This will clear all records stored in your device. The package includes 1 CK818 digital blood pressure monitor, a medium-sized arm cuff, a USB cord, a pouch, a warranty card and the instruction manual.